Alright, Rob Frazier here, just doing a short update video for folks promoting Easy One Up who were using the Profits Passport system and things like that. And also I do have to apologize for this light being directly behind my head, but it's dark outside and just don't pay attention to me down in the corner of the screen. So Profits Passport, as you see right here, no longer available. What I told people in the beginning, how I promote Easy One Up, in fact I think I'll put a link to my old video, is that you should always build your list first. And a lot of people were joining Profits Passport and letting David Deacle do all of the work. Basically, they would join his system and send people to their version of this page, which was active a little bit ago. And what would happen is people would opt in to David's email list. Now, when people did join Easy One Up from that list, they would join you, but they would still be on his email list. So in this case, some changes happened with Easy One Up. They don't want people posting income claims and things like that, which is totally, it just makes sense. You can't just be going around posting how much cash you're making and blah, 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 without expecting regulators or things like that or tax people to come just getting, it's just not a good look for income affiliate marketing opportunities to just be flashing cash. It never was a good thing. So Peter came out and said, hey, we're not doing that anymore, and basically that was the whole, that's all David Deacle was doing. He was just having his Profits Passport system, I do all the work for you, and he was just emailing your leads testimonials all the time. So he ended up pulling the plug because of those changes. The problem is all of the people who came in to use his system built his email list, and now that he pulled the system, he still keeps the leads, and everyone else is out. What I always said from the beginning, you can use things like this. However, build your email list first. So, David Deacle's system, Profits Passport, is no longer. Now we have, but this is how I am building this. I'm simply replacing that Profits Passport part of the system with the multiple income funnel. A guy I know who's made millions of dollars in affiliate marketing created this system, and Easy One Up is one of the streams of income within this system. Now, what I do is I use my capture page. This is one of the capture pages with my capture page. I send traffic to this page. They opt in. They get shown my Easy One Up presentation. Actually, they get shown a bridge video that I put together that then redirects to the Easy One Up presentation. The multiple income funnel that Mac created, I then email that to the people on that email list. I'm going to go back and say it again. Give me a minute, kiddo. I send traffic to this page right here. People opt in. They get on my email list. My capture page is a separate system. I send traffic to this page. They get in here. They opt in. They see my replicated Easy One Up presentation. Or in some cases, I'll send them to a bridge video. This right here is one of my podcasts, bridge pages, and this is just another one I created. These bridge pages is how I promote the multiple income funnel, basically. Down here, when people click, they'll go to the replicated system that Mac also created. So basically, I have two, I'll be there in a second, kiddo. I have two systems that I'm using to promote Easy One Up. I use my capture page, and then I use the multiple income funnel as well. So it's the same thing. My capture page, I connect to my Aweber. I send people here. Percentage of people opt in. Some people do, some people don't. Some people put in fake emails. It's just a part of affiliate marketing. I send people here. They opt in. They see my Easy One Up presentation. They join. They don't join. They create a free account. It's a numbers game. Every time I have 30 people opt in, one of them creates a free account. And whenever I have 10 people create free accounts, one of them upgrades, and I usually average around $450 from each person that upgrades. After a while, you'll get to learn your numbers. But it's the same way, same system. My capture page, they see my Easy One Up presentation, they get dumped on my Aweber list, and then once they're on my Aweber list, I will email them, that list, different bridge videos or bridge pages. This right here is a bridge page. I actually might do a training on this. And this page, I have a podcast that I was interviewed in. This other page, I have a short little video. And then whenever people come down here to click the link underneath the video, they will get redirected to the multiple income funnel sales page. Now, a couple things. Don't want to show too much about this, but everything's laid out here. You got step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and all you do is you just go down the line and complete the steps, and you'll get completely trained. But that's how I'm going to be promoting Easy One Up in the future. It's really the same structure as before. I'm just replacing Profits Passport with the multiple income funnel. Simple. And I keep running traffic to this main system here. So, that being said, this system plus my perpetual traffic plan, it's a done deal. It's just a 1-2 combo. The system here and my perpetual traffic plan, my daily method of operation, my money plan, my retirement, it's just a simple process that I follow, and I just go over and over and over again. So that being said, if you're interested, in the description, click on the website, opt in, and you'll see how I do this. And if you want to link up with me, you need mentoring, even if you're in Easy One Up already, you can still plug into the systems here and still make this thing work for you. That being said, wrapping this video up, information is below. We'll see you in the next video.